to stalk you on the internet. Now I've read all of the books beside your bed.
Guys, hello. Do you know where we're going today? Zach, do you know where we're going to? Oh my god.
Where are we going?
We're going to and yep. That's Alex. That's Annie's brother. Don't say that. So we're gonna go Metro to go Chatswood, and then okay, bye. Wait, okay, go.
So this is me before the
I'm still so tan.
Let's
I think
go
it's like-
lightest to
It's darker
darkest.
than me.
I think I'm kind of light, right? I'm here.
We just have different. I wonder who's
Sam,
the lightest.
come here.
Come on, bring some highlighter in there.
Wow.
I don't know if I'm gonna burn today because not burn, but like I don't know if I'm gonna tan or not.
Zachy, burn.
Hey, hey. But yeah, my sister. Oh my
Yeah.
I'm
God.
so excited to do underwater.
I know. Underwater shots
Guys,
with my
we're gonna be
GoPro.
sneak peek of underwater shots.
Wave crashing.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Hello.
Guys, we're bonding over the fact that we have the same water goggles.
Alex, what about you? Let's see your teeth. For some reason, Alex has straight teeth.
Like all he would need is like
He got my
Invisalign.
mum's teeth.
Yeah, my like.
Okay, we are on the train to Central. We're going to Central, right?
Yeah, we have to go. It's such a long trip. We have to go to Central, and then we have to go to.
But at least it's free.
Yeah, it's free. Hi. Anyways, we're going to Central, and then we have to go and catch a light rail, and then we have to go
Take a ferry.
take a ferry, and
So-
then we have to walk a bit.
It's a bit laborious, but it's fine. Also, I'm really hungry.
I'm really hungry as well, but we'll get there by like 11 something. Hi guys, today when we go to the beach, I'm gonna attack the waves. I'm gonna play volleyball, and I'm gonna have so much fun.
You're gonna give him the.
Thank goodness I skipped school.
Give the waves.
No, can you do not add that in the vlog?
Yeah, end the video. That's what the video ends. About this at work, I was just like talking about like how because like there's me and these two other girls that can take.
On the ferry. On the fast ferry. Manly fast ferry. Manly fast
I think it's going to Manly. We're not sure though.
Is this ferry going to Manly?
Is it fast? Bagels.
Oh my god, bagels.
Wait, we should get like cream cheese.
So, POV budget kids walking into a freaking fancy Coles. Guys, I got a calamari and chips.
I got
Peri
calamari, fish, and chips
Ooh,
with tartar sauce.
Say it again?
Tartar sauce.
Ew, why do you say it like that? Anyways, they're ordering.
Meal pack.
Ooh, very nice. Same with you. Do the same thing.
Oh yeah! Look at that. What are we eating, guys?
Fish and chips.
I got calamari.
Me too.
Open it.
Very good.
Yeah.
All right, I want to eat now.
Okay.
I'm going to eat. Bye.
Okay. Okay, yeah, we settled down. I hold the tent. I'm sorry. There's some people swimming over there, having a laugh. They're having a good time. Yeah.
Having their life.
They're living. They're living.
Hi! Ow!
Wait. Nice.
Hey guys, just a little PSA. When you're at the beach, try and get marine friendly. This is not sponsored, by the way. Not sponsored. But try and get marine friendly sunscreen so that it doesn't poison
The earth.
the earth. Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah. Promotion. Woo!
Okay, yeah. So yeah, I'm using the GoPro now and we're about to go in and swim, but we're putting on some sun stuff because
sun safety.
yeah.
Slip, slop, slap.
That's a slap. And look, there's Zaki. He's walking to us. He's so tiny. But yeah, we're gonna go swim. So that's why I changed to the GoPro. So I'm gonna record in the water.
I forgot how shit my cardiovascular now because of COVID.
Okay. GoPro.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. There's a lot of people wearing minimal clothing, so I don't know how this is gonna work well. You know, it's fine.
Hopefully.
It's cold! It's kind of cold! It is very cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my. Oh my god. Zach, where are my glasses? Zach, where are my glasses? Zach, what's my glasses? I want to cry. Where are they? It hasn't even been 10 minutes. Literally dove in. It's gone. Heck. Oh, you found them. Oh, thanks, Alex.
Hey GoPro, we need to ride a wave together. I think this one is looking promising. Oh, not yet. Not this one.
POV. You're drowning.
To survive.
I can't stand here. I'm trying. Let's go find the water. Look at that.
Oh, yummy. Oh, cute.
This one, Ashley.
He's scared. Someone's scared.
Whoa. Okay, Zach. Alex Cam.
Alright, guys. It's really cold out here.
It's really not nice though. It's such nice.
They say it's really nice. I'm dying. We ate good fish and chips, and then volleyball. Oh. And then now we're swimming in the ocean.
Ocean like this.
Oh my god. We get dragged on. You can go out. I don't care. I'm.
Okay. Ready? I did it!
Oh my gosh, big wave going under. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I think that angle was very ugly. No, for sure. And I like opened my eyes, but I was like.
Look, there's a wave.
Man, these waves are kind of ass right now. They're really nice though. They're like they're not ugly. You need those ones like these.
All the big ones are down there.
There was a dip. I'm actually a good swimmer, but there was a dip. Zach's drowning again. Actually, put a compilation of Zach drowning.
Whoa.
I don't know what kind of angle Zach is trying to do, but we'll go under on this one, this one. Oh yeah. Here. Manly.
Oh.
Guys, this is good for my heart. Oh, double.
Shut up!
That was so funny.
Cinematic.
So cinematic. fucking wiped out.
The big one?
Andy fell, and it was really funny. Oh, I'm so tired. What are you doing, Alex?
Ice cream! Some of them like
Slay.
Whoever's idea this was, I don't usually add berry, but
Guys, I got taro and Nutella
I think
with mochi and chocolate. Oh my god, the taro is so yummy.
hey guys, so we ran out of water. And so we went to Coles to find big bottles of water so we can refill because we've got ice. We only have ice. And there were unfortunately no big bottles, and we didn't want to buy a whole bunch of small ones. So we got a 10-liter jug thingy.
All for $4.
Yeah, for $4.40 for 10 liters. I think that's pretty good.
cold wood.
We need to bury someone.
I think we should.
Oh, that's cool. Some cinematic shots. Is it recording? Yeah. What is up? I'm showing.
Ready, jump shot.
Oh yeah, jump shot. Alex, get in. Alex. 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
3, 2, 1. And then
One more.
3, 2, 1. I had the same expression. Okay, so we're picking up Miss Andy Moncada.
Today is the day that I get buried. So, wish me luck. And you're gonna come in the water with me when I get all this sand out of the Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, actually, you gotta stay there. Yeah, block this one. Yep. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm getting buried, and
What are you turning her into?
I don't know. Mermaid penis.
I think I'm gonna be a penis. They're really bad at.
See? You're meant to be able to like step on you. Yeah, that's true.
Should we restart?
Yeah.
Take
yeah.
2.
Yeah.
Wait, something, let's go for
It's breathing. Okay.
Hey guys, getting buried part 2 because they messed up. Now I'm getting buried and they're really ow, that's my toe! You kicked my toe!
that
was Sam! Everyone's being really mean.
I'm not.
Not Ashley, only Ashley's being nice. Alex is being somewhat nice. Oh my god, there goes my wait, you're going all the way up to my neck?
Yeah, that's where you're meant to go.
You're going all the way up to my
Breathe.
Yeah. She can't breathe.
Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. I get hands. Are you covering my neck?
Yeah.
Do you want your neck covered?
Too bad.
That feels so weird!
Alright, Alex Cam now. You guys already know. We're burying Andy. You might want to like for part 2. I'm just kidding.
Ashley says I'm so hard right now. I'm ripped up.
Can you make her a big
You're like the
wiener?
guy in cement.
Wait, say yes if this is your vagina.
Vagina?
We'll make-
That's my fucking like torso. Oh my god, don't stand there. If you stand there, you're gonna break my kneecap.
Guys, look at Annie's wiener.
Uh-oh.
Oh, she's
Look at the girth. The girth.
Oh.
You're gonna have to censor this. This is gonna be
you go.
demonetized. Guys, this is gonna be demonetized on YouTube. You have to censor all of this.
Oh.
Censor.
You gotta make
What the fuck?
What? Why the boats on the
it looks like an elephant. Let's give it eyes.
It's a mouse.
It's a mouse.
Wait, we need to make her a tail.
Guys, I'm fucking dying.
Dude, water.
I think that penis is a bit too high up.
It's too hard.
A bit too high up. Like my body.
No, that's right.
I'm not sure what I look like right now.
Yeah. Look at my shadow. Look at.
You're gonna have to censor that.
Okay, I'll censor.
It's a mouse.
It's a mouse. It's a mouse that's coincidentally on the same placement as a wiener would be.
It's just one big coincidence.
Yeah, one big coincidence. And these are just mountains. This is where the mouse lives.
Yeah.
I could fall asleep like this. Not
What if
gonna
a seagull goes on you?
lie. No!
Are you a mermaid?
Hi.
Oh. Alex is traumatized. You look so tall, Andy.
But we need to make a head. Hold on.
Head? What?
Yeah. And then we can do like onto the mouse.
Ew. Sad, that was
Guys, what the hell? I'm actually dying.
Guys, I think Andy is the most prettiest mermaid ever.
Oh, thank you,
I think she's a
Ashley.
really pretty mermaid. Can I show you her mermaid?
Andy, I
Can I show you her tail?
Andy, I have one
So
question to ask
that's
you.
the beginning of the tail. Okay, and then it goes down.
Everyone, guys. This is... You know that was giving that clip of James Charles falling into the water? I mean, falling in the shopping mall.
Insert it here.
Yeah, insert video of James Charles falling in the shopping mall. Alright, go. Oh yeah. He's having so much fun. Don't know if you could tell, but it's currently oh fuck. What time did Ashley say it was? It's like 4 o'clock. We're gonna leave Manly soon and travel back home. But we're gonna get somewhat. Oh, okay. Yeah! Oh yeah! Cartwheel compilation, go! Keep going! Keep going! Also, guys, remember to swim in between the flags, right?
Yeah. Got a cartwheel back.
Cartwheel! Oh yeah! And again! Oh yeah! And again! Oh. That is so funny! He's dying. He's actually dying. Oh! Yep. Yeah! Yeah! Oh!
The day started ordinary. Boys walking high.
Let's roll. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Oh my god. I have never been more humbled. Oh my god. It's gone.
Hi, Ashley camera.
We're gonna die!
No, let's just keep sitting. There's like 3. Wait.
Oh my god, Jack, I'm dying.
What? How are you still dying?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
New video rating our wipeouts 1 out of 10.
That was like a 1.
So bad.
Go! An 8. That was pretty good. I can't, what the fuck? He's making a moment. I can't wait to watch this vlog.
Me too.
That wasn't even bad. That was like a solid 4.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, big wave.
Oh no. Yeah, these aren't waving.
The waves aren't waving, guys.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
But actually, I hope you enjoyed that content.
My whole boob was out in that. Oh my god, I have sand all over my butt.
Anyways, goodbye.
Bye. I'm so cold. When I get cold, my lips get really pale and I shake. My entire body shakes and I'm shaking right now. So cold. I think we're about to pack up soon.
Alex, I might have to borrow your jacket. I
So
also don't have a boot.
I'm very cold. I keep saying that, but I'm freaking dying. Do you hear this conversation happening?
And we don't want that.
Anyways, guys, we've been trying to fold this for literally 20 minutes. It's embarrassing. I need to sneeze.
No. Yeah, together. Alright.
Okay, and then hold them together, right?
Yeah, like
And then put your hand and point left hand on C. Oh no, sorry.
like
And then
struggling.
She's
oh, D is the side.
Alex Camp here, guys.
Alex Cam.
You know, we've been here for been out 6 hours. But you know what? It's a good day skipping school. You already know. Look at them trying to bend the tent. I could probably do that in 5 seconds because that's just how cool I am, guys.
Press down C.
Does that go like that?
Wait, I feel like that's it.
No, that does not fit.
No!
Why are we struggling with this?
Oh, the seagulls. Yeah. Look at these seagulls. Look at this. Oh. It's a seagull. Fun day today, guys. I'm not going to lie. The only bad thing was nothing actually, because today was the best day of this week. Oh. Okay, we don't want to
Oh my god, the zipper is not even fully open.
Sam, what do you think about this?
I don't know what they're doing. They're failing at life. They didn't pass camp.
Like, let's start a solo time. This is not gonna fit.
Should I do it?
No, it fits.
We don't want to break the bag, then we have to bring the whole tent out.
No,
it's not gonna fit.
Why did I stop again?
That's not fit.
Okay, ready? Restart. Oh my god, you guys.
We've been trying to fold the Nivea tent for 30 minutes. How do you do it?
What do you mean?
The Nivea tent. You know, the blue. Huh? You can't fold it.
This is day
10
10.
days?
Yeah, and we're still here. We're trying for the freaking tent.
Someone help the poor boy!
How about you?
I'm holding the bag for when we shove it in!
I'm Alex Cam.
Oh,
They did it!
sweet.
Golden rice. Third time's a charm. See us right now, bro.
Guys, we are going on the ferry now. I'm very tired. Let us go.
Hey guys, we're on the train
Oh yeah.
and we're very tired.
We should do the skin tone check right now.
Oh, yeah, leg check. Oh my god, this dude forgot what sunscreen is. Guys,
I think this is where it ends anyway. No one wants to say that. I love Sam.
how did you feel skipping school?
I feel very good.
You apologize to Maxina right now.
I'm sorry, Magzina. I'll see you next year.
Aww.
We won't. Guys, I gotta go now because the camera died. I have a battery, but no one can take out the battery of my camera, so I'm not bothered.
He's sleeping.
Sam's sleeping, but he's doing it for show. He's actually not sleeping. He wants attention. So we're gonna go now. We'll see you tomorrow. Or something, I don't know.
Yeah, we should do that.
Yeah, I'll vlog tomorrow because we're going to Andy's house again for a sleepover. We're doing a bottle fight. So yeah, say bye. Pass the phone. Pass the phone.